Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyperlinks in Canva. First, let's understand why adding links can elevate your designs. Hyperlinks make your documents interactive, allowing viewers to click directly to websites, other pages within your design, or even email addresses. This feature is perfect for presentations, ebooks, and digital reports, transforming static content into an engaging experience. It's a straightforward process that adds significant value to your creations. Adding a hyperlink in Canva is quite simple. Begin by selecting the specific text, image, or element you want to make clickable. Once selected, look for the chain link icon in the toolbar that appears at the top of your screen. Click this icon and a small box will pop up. Here, you'll paste your desired URL. After pasting, press Enter or click Apply to confirm the link. That's it. Your element is now hyperlinked and ready for interaction. To make your hyperlinks truly effective, consider a few best practices. Always double-check that your links are accurate and lead to the intended destination. A broken link can be frustrating for your audience. It's also wise to use clear and concise call-to-action text, like learn more or visit website, so users know exactly what to expect. Avoid overloading your design with too many links, as this can be overwhelming. Strategic placement enhances user experience. Once your design is complete with all its interactive links, the final step is to export it correctly. Hyperlinks only work when your Canva design is downloaded as a PDF, specifically PDF Standard or PDF Print. Image formats like JPG or PNG do not support clickable links. After downloading, you can share your interactive PDF with your audience. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make meal prep easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Remember to test your links in the downloaded PDF to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.